Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders. I am here to talk about my trade for today. I have been very scatterbrained lately and I really needed something to help me refocus. My kids' schedules have been a little bit overwhelming. We've had visitors. We got a new puppy. So everything seems chaotic in my life right now. So I decided this week I would focus on my psychology. And one thing that Creta, a psychologist with BBT, she has talked about is recording your own voice of your daily affirmations. And so I did that yesterday and I listened to it this morning. And as odd as it can be or seem at first, it really actually had a very calming effect on me and helped with my confidence this morning. I am I was able to take this Invax trade and I felt very focused in my trading. So if you haven't done so already, I would suggest just giving it a try. I know that quite a few of our moderators and our members have had success with it as well. And I'm excited that I've added this to my routine and I'm hopeful with it. So I had Invax on my main watch list this morning. It had gapped down on really great volume and the price action was really nice. I wait 5 to 15 minutes after the open before I take my first trade. Um, I I like to for things to calm down before I jump into trades. So I saw Invax setting up as a 5-minute opening range breakup. As you can see, pre-market it was just hugging the VWAP, and so right after the open, it put up this really nice bull candle, very strong. And so after that, what I was looking for is to see if it was going to come back down and test the VWAP on low volume, or if it was going to just break out from the 5 minutes and with volume and continue to be strong. And so as soon as it broke out, I took a long position. Sorry, let me move this over. As you can see right here, it broke out, made a new 5-minute high. I took a long position. My stop loss was if it made a new 1-minute low. I partialed pretty aggressively here at 50%. Normally my first partial is 25%. I did 50% here because it was R3. And I didn't know if my entry was great enough to hang on with a pullback to VWAP if it were to pull back from R3. So I took a 50% partial, and then this 15-minute candle closed as a really nice bull candle, very strong. So as you can see, it did pull back a little bit and make new 15-minute highs. I saw that it was setting up as a 15-minute opening range breakup and an ABCD pattern, as you can see right here. So I actually added here and I added here, both intended for the breakout. And then as soon as it pushed up through R3, I took a quick 25% partial here. Then I saw really large asks at 140. So I partialed 50% here. Then I partialed 50% at the 50 moving average on the 15-minute 15-minute chart. And then I have this 144.76 level, and I partialed everything but about 5 to 10% I think I had left. And my new plan was to, if it made a new 15-minute low, I was going to exit my position, or if it made a I was hopeful for it to reach R4. So because it was so strong all morning, it did not. It came back and stopped me out at break even, and I didn't go with my original plan because yes, these two dojis right here are cause for concern, but because it was so strong earlier in the morning, I was hoping that this was going to be a consolidation area and it was going to push up one more time, and it never did. So it did fail and stop me out at break even. I set a range order. It was about this at this time I had to leave and I had to set a range order. So I just went ahead and because I had so few shares left, I set the range order for either break even or 150, which is near R4. So that was my trade for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to ask me any questions you may have down below. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.